everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be going through the air conditioner controls and heater controls on a 2019 it's a Kia Cerato. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how these air conditioner controls work. Perhaps you are unfamiliar with the car, maybe it's a hire car, maybe you're renting the car, whatever it is. Perhaps you just need a little run through, so I will give that to you right now. Okay, so starting off over here guys, we have a air conditioner and heater, temperature control guys. Okay, so cold being cold, which goes all the way up to hot. You can adjust this both ways depending on whatever you want to do, how hot you want it. And then down the bottom we have max AC, which will make the AC even colder. Okay. Second of all, we have your fan control guys. Over here it has 4 settings. It will increase the fan. Okay. Over here we have recycle air. So this will use the air from your cabin filter. You can turn that off for the outside air, and you can turn that on for inside air. Okay guys, so yeah, the orange means that it's on. Okay, and then over here we have your controls on where you want the heat or cold to go. So if you want to have that go on your feet or your torso, then you can select these. So for here, this is to have the air going straight towards you, or at your chest. Over here is for feet and chest. Over here is for feet only, and over here is for your front demister and your legs as well. Okay, and for here it's your front demister only. Okay, you want to keep this on for when you have foggy windows in the morning. Okay guys, down here is your rear demister button. You press this to activate, so that way you can remove the fog in your rear window guys. Okay, and then over here is your AC button. Okay, first of all you need to have this on. Okay, this will not turn on if this fan is not blowing. Okay guys, so you can enable and disable this. So make sure that this light is on if you want to have the AC to work. Okay guys, and then you can select your fan or do recycled air if you want to do that. Okay, anyways, I hope this helps you guys. I hope this helps you. And one more thing, you allow your vents to open and close over here. Okay, if you want to close it, you close it and it goes down, or if you want to open it, push it up. Okay, if you are not getting any air coming out the front, then you want to make sure that this one over here is selected guys, right there, for the air to come straight through here. Okay, so you want to close these. If it gets too cold, close that, just like that, and now you will not get any air. And the same thing goes for these vents as well guys. If you want to close the vents, you can just close it to the left. Okay, and do it to the right is to open it up. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope that helped. If you need any more information about this car, just let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.